Alright, so this is a look at the large insulated food catering bag that I got on Amazon. Guys, I'm going to put the link to this product, but we just unboxed the product. So far, we're happy with it. I think it has a really good material, pretty durable. It looks like it'd be good for different weather conditions and all of that. So we're very excited about that. This is a large bag, guys. Let's see if we can get it all in one camera view. Okay, so that is the bag, okay? And this is the bag from the side. And we're going to be using this bag with DoorDash. So once you get to DoorDash, like higher ratings, as far as being a delivery partner, they give you the opportunity to get larger orders if you order and receive a large catering bag. So they have dimensions that the catering bag must qualify for, and I believe this one is big enough to qualify, but this is the large catering bag that I found on Amazon for my DoorDash self-employed business. So I'm very excited with it. It's pretty large. It folds down really easy. This is it. So guys, if you need to keep food cold, or let's just say you're camping, you're going on some type of vacation, or let's say you're picnicking and you just need a large bag. This one is really good. I mean, I found it for under 30 bucks. And hey, it's very good as far as like the insulation inside the bag. It's pretty well insulated. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so this is what the inside of the bag is looking like. And again, the installation is a really good material. It's not like cheap and flimsy where it kind of moves with the mighty touch. It is pretty much solid and in place. It's kind of bubbly, so it may even be double insulated. I would definitely put the link to Amazon below so you guys can check out the bag, check out the specs on the bag. But so far, I am pretty happy with this bag. It does have handles on both sides. So you have the front and the back handle, and then it looks like it does have handles on the actual side. So there's 4 actual handles for the bag, and then it's just a hollow inside, you know, just a hollow bag inside. It has a zipper on one side, and I believe a zipper on the other side, which is actually pretty good because if one of those zippers break, you can just use the other zipper to kind of like zip it closed. So that's like double protection. It does look like it might be a bit weather resistant as far as like rain slipping off and not seeping in. So if you guys are looking for a large catering bag, maybe you got drinks or food or something like that that you're trying to keep hot or cold, consider this bag. It will be available on Amazon. Use our links. When you use our links to shop, guys, we receive a small commission from that retailer. So that helps us keep the channel active, bring you guys quality content and more. So definitely do that. And hey, if you like this video, like the video so that we know, and this is going to help us bring more videos to you. If you want to be a part of our family and subscribe to the channel, we'll be more than happy to have you here. So you're welcome to subscribe. And then also, if you want to be the very first to get notifications from us as soon as we drop a new video, then all you have to do is hit the bell notification button. I think it's somewhere above. And then, yeah, you'll definitely be notified by your notification bar as soon as we drop content. You'll never miss it. But that being said, thank you so much for your viewership, and we'll see you on the next video.